And I'm the one for me.
T-West, what you doing, babe?
My team. Hey. Plotting on me and I know it for sure. That's why I keep me a dirt. Stayed on my grind and I find me a purse. If I ever go broke, then I go back to purse. It's early, that pussy got water. I might got drink up the cap, I want all the heat. That whole lot of bunch of call, my little eat. I ride up the I gotta keep me a heat. When I get the drop, I can't with the sweet. I'm smoking Zizzy, I'm high on the moon. Both thinking I love her, must be all the shrooms. Hit with the 7C2, it's a boom.
What's good, YouTube? Hold on. Back it up. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I wasn't expecting this energy from myself, to be honest, because, yo, it's been a long day. Don't mind my haircut. I'm in a rush right now. We're on the time crunch. I'm going to get to that later on. Today's a big day, yo. I don't even know where to begin, bro. There's a big meet going on tonight in Denver. It's called the SLS and the Nationwide Summer Kickoff. That's the title of the flyer. They did this last year and I went there. I documented it as well. They had well over 1,000+ cars there. And they say this year is gonna be crazier. They're gonna have about 4,000. Not to mention the people. They say 4,000 cars, bro. Y'all just get ready, bro. Get ready for the fun. Get ready for the show. Get ready for all kind of activities, bro. Cause this shit, I'm not catching the attraction. Cause this shit's about to go down. So right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm heading to the car wash right now. I'm about to meet a couple of my guys at the car wash. Most of my guys with the SRT sliders, they're already in Denver already. So them boys just waiting on us. So I'm about to go get a car wash and wash the car. And we're gonna go to Denver and we're gonna meet up with the guys, man. So you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the vlog. Go follow me on Instagram if you haven't. We're on the way to 10K subscribers. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe so we can get this 10,000, man. Honestly, go right now for my journey with YouTube is really get that plat, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get that, get that plat. That plat just looks stupid, and you know what I'm saying? You look at it every day, it's gonna make you even want to go harder. It's gonna make me want to go harder and drop more content for y'all, more lit content, because y'all know we don't just drop some boring ass content, bro. Rather than drop boring ass content, I'd rather, you know what I'm saying, now get me to 10K subscriber first, then we're gonna work our way to 100K and get that plat. Enjoy the video. And boy, pulling in too. About to be a crazy night. God. I got that chain on! Hey. Bro, it's been a long ass day, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Who you telling? It's been a long day. They got me outside.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn.
Look lower. Hey.
Damn. Hey. That about he lowered his shit last night. I mean, he was doing it today too. Then that been look good, my boy. Hey. Big ass. Yo, we gotta go wash this car. But damn, he just had attacked me with his stomach.
Bruh, look, the color difference. Go stand by here real quick.
What? I'm lighter than him? I know.
Yeah.
High pressure water. If I stay at back, if I wet you, go ahead. Damn. Let me say. Welcome to Lua Detail. Hell no. Say something. Don't get close. You don't know nothing about this. I'm about to put you on.
Look at it.
You see how color this shit is? We got red, blue, indigo, purple, rainbow, green.
Nigga been watching Blue's Clues.
But what color is Francis, bro? Put the
Pink. That nigga pink.
Pink. We got
like
pink
a thumb.
Hold on. Let me zoom in on them tight ass.
Wait. Hey, no, Francis is that nigga sus, bro. You running out of time. What? No, nigga, what you doing?
I'm saying.
Look at this nigga. Watch this. Think you a fucking NASCAR pit crew.
Oh shit. Bro, look at Francis trying to be smooth with the camera, bro. He the best cameraman in the world. Right. Alright guys, I'm making a final stop. We got the car ready. I'm getting gas. We're gonna hit the road. But I told y'all, there's gonna be a lot of excitement, so y'all about to just stay tuned. It's about time. Oh, look at that ugly. Look at that squirrel. Anyways, we just made it to Denver, y'all. I can already see a bunch of cars. Them boys, they came out here to play. You know what I'm saying? So do we. You feel me? But look at it, Mini Man over there. What you doing? Mini Man over there getting some reels. What the fuck? Look who just pulled up, bro. Turn your camera on, kid. Bro, we just made it to Denver, bro.
Where you at? Yeah, I'm in Denver right now.
Shit, you gonna have to meet us at the meet location, bro.
Hey, look, drop me low, nigga.
All right, bet, nigga.
I'm coming. Oh, y'all, they bet.
Hey, they just a few, bro.
Man, what?
We got like 20 more. All right, nigga.
Oh, that boy got that wrist on.
What
up, boy? That boy popping out or what?
Yeah, he already in Denver. You been in this street all day, bro. What's going all day, what going on, bro?
I'm sitting, I've been goddamn, you know, sticking and moving, goddamn, like shit.
You been in this street all day long, bro.
Bro, let me pull this fuse real quick, bro. Get away so I can open my trunk, nigga. It's dirty. Bro, watch your ugly ass, nigga.
Look at this nigga, bro.
Yo, that boy trying to zoom in and shit.
What's up, nigga?
Bro, chill, bro.
What you got going on, nigga?
Bro, my shit dirty as fuck.
Nigga,
I haven't cleaned my shit since.
Nigga, so? That's what you hiding, my nigga? Whoa.
Nigga, chill, bro.
Hey, most of the guys are heading to the meet right now. We just had to come to the gas station and meet up with Glizzy, because Glizzy was already in Denver already. So yeah, we're about to go to the Call Me location. Bro, it's about to be moving. Tell them boys subscribe to the channel. Tell them subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, definitely subscribe to the SRT Sliders Time channel, bro.
Yes, sir. Tune in, kid. Look at this nigga, bro.
Take this before you put the glove on.
Nigga, I'm gonna take with the glove because I'm respecting it. That's a big thing right here, bro.
His hands dirty.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to touch it
You
with
got a
that.
tattoo? What the fuck is that, bro?
Spraying that soap.
Oh, this is. Oh, damn. bro.
Tat it up, lady.
I thought he had a tat. I was about to say, what the fuck?
Tell your folks.
I'm trying to pull up in that big body business. No, sir, yeah.
I'm gonna be asking for the rest of the night.
Got lotion, man?
It's a whole lot of motion involved.
There we go.
That bitch look good as fuck. Oh,
Low with it, yeah.
that bitch look so good.
But it's still slow.
I don't even remember what it looked like before.
Nigga, what?
Hey, pull the chain out.
That bitch like, look,
Huh?
Pull the chain out.
Put his hand out. Nah, that'd be a little better with that. Hey!
oh, yeah.
Hold on, I got something. Look on.
I look got a boost fade.
Nah, I ain't thinking it,
Bitch,
bro.
I'm big, dude. Whatever.
Big dude! Y'all ready, bro? This is history right here, bro. Black Detailing just came out with a business card, bro. This shit bigger than big. Look at the goddamn camera, nigga. The camera looking at it.
The cameraman.
Bro, I'm leaving out your hair, nigga.
Because, where your business card?
Oh! Yeah!
Where your business card at? Nigga, I already got one, nigga. That's
That's
his.
your
your
business card?
business. Your business card. Your detail.
Oh, damn, bro. See? They got the lights out, bro. They chasing niggas. Damn. Alright.
I'm not doing that shit, nigga.
I'm gonna take the car first.
I mean, you see the goddamn, you see how that bitch shining?
Nigga.
The words? Come on now.
Nigga. Wow.
Is this a HELLCAT right here? No. What is it? Is this a 392? Is this a 392?
Wait, it looks so familiar, bro. That shit.
Shut your ass up. Shut it down, bro. This bit hard. Shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro.
God.
Daddy pictures and videos.
Hey, watch out.
That slow ass shit.
Hey, how the fuck Trill? You said he was 13 minutes away.
Right? This nigga say traffic, bro.
Well, outside.
You had 1 hour to get here, bro.
Hey,
Well, I got off work late too. I was supposed to be out working at 7. I got off at 8:42.
What's up, bro? Huh? Man, I ain't looking at nothing right now. You know when I'm outside, I don't look at my phone, bro.
What is nigga doing?
What the fuck is fucking?
I didn't expect that shit, bro. Ain't gonna lie.
What you doing? Look like that.
Bruh,
Scientific.
whatever the
Scientific.
I don't know what the fuck is this nigga saying, bruh.
Bro, this shit scientific proving that my hair is waterproof.
I don't know
Waterproof?
why this nigga always says this, bro.
Bro, I know this nigga didn't say nothing right. Bro, just put this nigga on the fucking camera, dog. Put your head up, my nigga.
Stop, man.
Come here. Come here. Not only do this nigga got a 5 head, he don't even got 4.
Nigga wanna talk about hairline,
Look
dog.
how-
Yo, Glizzy. Glizzy, no.
No, like also real shit, bro. Never go back to that barber because this nigga just
I got you. But can I keep it real with you,
Yeah, for sure.
Dude, your hairline going slap a nigga out.
Bro, I have no choice. My shit gonna wave up. My hairline gonna wave up.
No,
bro.
I'm saying, nigga, instead of that shit supposed to be straight.
My hairline is not
Bro.
gonna be straight if I got waves.
No, there ain't shit wavy about that crusty ass shit you got on your head, nigga. I'm talking about, nigga, your hairline. Bro, can I explain? Also, bro, it's some brotherly love that I'm giving you right now, bro.
Go ahead,
Nigga,
bro.
your hairline just say, like that bitch just slamming
Yeah.
the nigga out, bro.
And you wanna know
It's
what
not
your shit
straight.
doing?
What is it?
Your shit going.
Nah, keep it real. Be honest.
How's it going?
Be honest. Can I keep it real with you?
Hey,
I
what
get
you doing?
your hairline, nigga. Your hairline going
How's
this
it
way,
going?
nigga. Hey,
Damn, ugly.
we're gonna give this shit to the comment section, bro.
Why this nigga
Who got
saying
better
attention,
hairline,
bro?
bro? Who got better? Nigga, put the camera
On a
front
crispy
out,
day? Crispy
We
haircut?
talking about
Nigga,
right now. Right now.
Bro, look how far your
Who
shit
got
is.
it better? Nigga.
Nigga got a plasma TV for a forehead and trying to say something.
Nigga, you know when you mount your TV on the wall?
Get up
No,
close
no,
on
no.
this nigga head.
No,
Get up close.
no. You not, hey,
Get close on this nigga head.
You know when you mount
Nigga
your
head look like the front of
Bruh.
his charger.
You,
Ugly
you
nigga.
know when you mount your TV on the wall, my nigga,
Yeah.
and you watching the movie and you be like, damn, nigga, my TV is not straight because that shit cricket. That's what your fucking hairline look like, nigga. Is it trash? Sorry.
Like,
I'm saying-
brother to brother, your hairline really look like your fucking fender lining, boy, on your stupid ass.
I ain't gonna lie, I should have said that
I
first
should've
because this nigga really do look like that.
I should have asked.
You should have not used that on me. I could have used that on you. You know what I'm saying? Don't say it again.
Listen, I got
Fresh
you.
done put his glasses on. That nigga reading. Hey, we gotta go. That nigga finna fall asleep. Alright. Dollar General.
Dollar General.
I see a bunch of Hellcats. I see a bunch of Hellcats.
Shelby.
What's up, bro?
I'm
I'm
500.
start from this black man. What's up, man?
Man, what's up, Black Brother?
What's up, man? How many toys you got, my boy? How many toys you got?
I mean, what?
How many toys you got? I see you came out. Remember, you came on to the track with that slow ass vid. You trying to drift and
My
shit.
burnout was better than yours.
What?
That's what everybody said.
Go look at my comment section, bro. They're gonna be like, bro, who's that white vent?
Comment
Yo,
section?
that was it, bro.
Yeah.
That was it, bro.
Where's my footage at, though? Did you post my footage?
Oh,
Or
it
they
was
just
there.
seen your
It was
footage?
there.
Where?
Your shit was there. It was in the
there?
video.
You seen it?
It was in there. They were like,
Whose
bro,
burnout
whoever's
was better?
driving that white ass vet.
I was.
You said mine? You have more smoke?
This-
Bro!
Why niggas be going
Slide!
on smoke?
Slide is not
No,
smoking,
it is all
bro.
smoke. It is all smoke. If
No,
you
it's
want to
not.
slide, you
That's a
can't
burnout.
drift. I can drift. You weren't
Bro,
drift.
we was in a burnout pit though.
You sliding
You
when
was
you
smoking, I was sliding. It's a burnout pit, meaning slide.
It's a burnout pit, bro.
But like some real shit.
Burnout smoke.
You should, bro, every nigga can just put the leg on the brake and let that bitch smoke, bro. You wasn't sliding though.
You can drift. I'll take the same car and drift it.
I'm not
You can't drift that.
Right?
If
What?
you want to slide, it's the same thing.
I'm not drifting that
You
shit.
would drift that shit?
I ain't drifting that shit.
Hell no.
Bro, it's a difference
Oh, I
between
seen a
sliding
nigga with
and
a
drifting, bro.
G8.
But for real though, bro,
And they had
I want to get into
You want like a
drifting.
big? You want to do like a big donut? Yeah, get into
Oh, I
this
come up
one.
in the street, bro. I retired though.
Yeah,
So
I
now
got
we're
you.
trying to,
Yeah.
you know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
change the- yeah.
We're trying to change
Change
the culture,
the narrative.
Yeah, bring it to the track type shit.
Who got the fastest car?
In SRT sliders, bro.
SRT, yeah, SRT sliders. Yeah, who got it?
That'd be right there, bro. The blue one?
The blue one? Let's go check it out. Let's go check
I'll go check it out.
This is the fastest and it's not even a Hellcat.
That nigga be dogging Hellcat, bro.
Bro, not really.
Nah, not really. Not really, but yeah, he be like stock Hellcat. Yo, they got police everywhere, bro. They got police right there. I don't know, let me, 1 second. Y'all see it? They got police right there. They got police right there. And this shit is packed. Y'all see y'all? Bruh, this shit is packed. They got cars all over the place. They got police at the gas station. Fuck going, kid! What's up, shy ass YouTuber? Nigga? Oh, that boy got that light on. Where the store at? Oh shit! Oh shit! Kid. Well, that be crazy. There's no lighting, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know I like to provide y'all with good quality and you know what I'm saying, amazing content. All these niggas look shy and nervous like they ain't never been to a mega car meet before. Mega little head ass nigga.
Where's the mega meet? The mega meet is across the street.
ass nigga.
Fuck, we couldn't get into that bitch.
But this nigga, yeah. This nigga getting his camera ready, bro. To vlog. That nigga ain't vlogging shit, but fucking just hold the camera like this and not say shit. Damn shame, kid. You good? Nigga, why you acting like that, bro? Oh, damn, that bitch stupid. God damn. Hey, Glizzy, this the ride you were talking about?
Yeah.
That be hard. What up, fellas?
What up?
Let me say Tommy TV. Oh, man, I'm about ready for Mexico. Why you made that face, bro?
Hey.
That boy ready for Mexico. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I might have to go to Mexico tonight, bro. I think I'm gonna see this nigga in Mexico.
You going?
We taking a trip to Mexico,
Taking a trip to Mexico?
You going to Mexico?
I go wherever.
Man, your whole ass can't hang in Mexico. Sleep. You talking about sleep, bro. You gonna be gone before I go to sleep.
Smack your ass around.
Yeah. All right, guys. So it's a bigger parking lot over here, and a lot of people just come in on this side. We was unable to make it to that first parking lot. I don't know if I said it already, but so we just decided to come over here, and now this good amount of cars here already.
You need a wide body.
Fuck a wide body, bro.
Look at that one.
It look stupid. Nah, I'll pass, bro.
You pass?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I see the wide body on some cars. That shit is not it, bro.
You don't think so?
It's packed, bro. You can't even get in there.
100%.
Bro, so you come down here to Big Lot, bro. This is new the new meetup. This shit is getting packed already. There's a lot of room here though. Yeah. I bet. I bet.
It's insane. Look at all these motherfuckers.
Damn!
That motherfucker big as hell.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't run across the street.
Why did the African cross the road?
Yo, that bit hard. Man, look at this, bro. It is crazy out here. It is insane. The biggest car meet here in Colorado. And we got a coon walking towards the camera. Oh, shit. I take that back. Hold on. I take that back. It's not a coon. It's not a coon. So we parked all the way down there, and we just want to see what the... Hey, you can't do that. Yo, niggas are wild. Oh, my God. Bro, shit is crazy out here, bro. But like I said, though, bro. What'd you say?
Where my shirt at?
Man, such a...
Hey, that's
That's crazy, bro.
Oh, shit. Scary ass nigga. You gotta be on your tippy toe. Oh, shit. Where we going, nigga? Look at Fancy, bro. Oh, damn, where the show is. You tripping, nigga? Is that him right there? Oh, shit. What up, my boy? Yo, good, bro. We parked over there, bro, at the Big Lot. Yeah. You can't miss it, bro. Once you pull in, you're gonna see my car. Yeah, we're just trying to meet a couple of the guys over here, bro. All right. You said what?
That's Chris right there.
Oh, yeah, this nigga. call me. Where that boy at? Oh my God, there's a lot of fucking shit going on here. Hey! Hey! We're going.
Man, I had to get some gas, man.
What up, boy?
What's going on with you?
Man, this shit packed as fuck, bro.
This shit's crazy.
Shit.
All the way that way, what's going on with you?
Bro.
All the way that way, and all the way this way, I was like, man, what's going on with you?
Hell, they wouldn't even move it. They just stopped.
So how does the song go, bro? If you see me, nah, nigga, that's just the. What's the whole song, bro?
If you see me,
If you see me,
if you see me,
if you see me,
I forgot what she said.
if you see me, and I don't say what's up, say ski.
Hell no.
Nigga look like a, bro, this nigga look like a bird. Oh yeah, the M.
This is the M.
The M. M for Mary. Bro, this shit packed. Damn, you good?
Don't get it.
Yo,
She about broke her damn neck.
you good? You almost tripped now. Lucky
I
I was.
done tripped.
Lucky I was right next
four
to you.
wheels on. What the?
Who got 4 wheels on?
We got four wheels on. How the fuck you Ford on there?
Man, he ain't Mopar, bro. That bitch say Ford on it? Nah, he probably got the Ford off cab. Yeah, yeah. Damn, that bitch say wide body. That shit don't look right. Yeah! That been wide body? That been skinny body. That's a fake wide body.
My body ain't shit.
Huh? Way better wide body.
that boy ain't it. That's why I was in the backseat. Ugly.
Facts.
Damn, who's just at this SUV, bro? I mean, this van.
3,000.
Hey, question, man. Who's inside the back of this van right here? Oh, the kids, huh? The kids. Oh, damn, that boy got a setup. If you see me in the club right now, don't say what's up. Damn, bro, what the fuck? Don't run me over now. Damn.
Well, there's a lot of motion out here.
It's a lot of cars out here. You see something?
Huh?
You see something?
I seen a nice car, bro.
Oh, okay, what kind of car was it?
It was an SUV Trackhawk,
What color?
black, with red interior. I seen it.
What color was the driver?
Black.
Took too long.
I see.
You lying, you seen some other shit.
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna put the camera out.
What?
Bruh, this nigga trying to rose, bruh. I didn't even say.
Why you slap my goddamn shoulder so hard, ugly
Weak
nigga?
ass nigga, get your muscle up. Scared. Where Trey at? Damn, bro, you can't see nothing. What up, bro? What going?
She said hi.
You know, yeah. Oh shit! Calm down. But that bitch just licked my glove, bro. See, that's why I got the gloves on, bro. Man, I'm looking for it. Where you at, bro?
I'm trying to follow.
What going on, man?
How's it going?
How you doing?
How's it going, guys?
Good.
Black.
You know what that is? That's a famous
black
dude,
white
bro.
dude. Oh.
You know, that buddy who was Nationwide, bro. Yeah. If you see me in the club and I don't say what's up, ski. Get your ass in, nigga. Oh, them boys on the scooter.
God,
Tell them
yes,
drip.
sir. Oh,
Oh, shit.
boy brought cash.
That boy got that shit on.
Yeah. Whoa.
That boy selling shit out here. You gonna cuss him?
I got him on. I don't know. If I see something.
You gonna cuss him? How's it going, guys? But that boy out here hustling, bro. I love it. But
You said you got all the right shoes already, right?
Man, I don't wear shoes. I don't wear shoes. You know what I want? My feet.
Yo, what you just said? What you said, bro? You said feet.
Oh, you nasty. There you bring your black ass. Whoa. Well, we're gonna interview some people, bro. We gotta get them to say ski.
I bet.
We gotta interview.
Girls behind us. Them three. Back there.
All right, bro, slow down. Slow your roll, kid. Hey, where you walking to, bro? Slow down.
That's a scat pack.
Wide body, slap back. But this shit so big, bro. They got another parking lot down here. Damn, that bitch on some
Yeah, they got drag.
flicks. And that's a crowd killer right there.
Drag packs.
What up, man? You good?
Yep.
What you think about the car show, man? Oh, they called
Booty
me.
right now.
You said booty?
Yeah.
Damn. Yo. You said they called me the booty, bro. Why? Why you say that?
I ain't seen nothing got caught my eye yet.
Man. What happened? Yo, they right here. Where them boys at, bro? I ain't gonna lie, I need a cameraman, bro. I need a cameraman, bro. Hey, bro, you trying to be my cameraman? Nah, damn. I'ma find one. What you say?
He said you too dark for him.
Ugly ass nigga, I can't even see you on my camera.
I can't see you either.
Now you can see.
You can see this motherfucker perfectly fine.
Right.
Right.
Let me see. How that quarter did look like, bro? Oh, damn, nigga. What you think about mine? What you think that shit? Alright, for sure. Hey! They got tacos! We're gonna come back, bro. We're gonna come back. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna come back and get some tacos, man. What the fuck? Yo, this nigga twerking. You gay!
What the fuck wrong with you?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got this move I'm gonna show you yet. You wanna hold my camera? I'm gonna show you, bro.
Let me see it, bro.
I got this move that I've been keeping to myself, bro.
Let me see, bro.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, that been go like this.
Yo, what? Nah, it's so. Bro, get your goddamn picture.
Go out camera, baby.
Nigga.
Hey, that's the tie right there, bro. What it is?
Goddamn Richard.
That means if you touch me, you gonna get snatched up.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, like, get scratched up, Tyson, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
And then why you bumping into me, little nigga? Oh, shit, I about want to park over there? That boy's stupid. That's a good parking spot, though. I'm gonna give it to him.
It really is. I want to go behind.
Exactly.
Oh, damn! That bitch almost took me over. I ain't gonna lie, I caught built like you, bro. Little and small.
Little and small.
Little and small. Whoa, pause. I mean, take that back. Change conversation. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? You selling tickets? See, you don't want to talk to him. Now I don't want to buy it. Bad salesman. You a salesman. You can teach them and coach them up on how to sell shit, right?
Sell him his ass whooping.
Oh, I thought you were finna say something.
I ain't gonna lie. Don't say that again, bro.
I thought you were finna say something.
Yeah, he was. Then he just put the whooping in.
Yeah, you put the whooping after. You know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Freaky ass nigga.
Yeah. Sweet ass nigga.
Cupcake ass nigga.
Strawberry ass nigga. Sugar ass nigga. Where is Francie, bro?
Lollipop.
Where's Francis at, bro?
I don't.
Where's Trey at? Man, how we losing, bro? Trey! I'm glad.
Oh shit, I thought you were the nigga from Snowfall. Yo, what the fuck?
I ain't gonna lie, I think that nigga darker than me, bro.
Yo.
Damn, it look like I can't wait to. It look like I can't wait to kill a crowd, bro. Look at it. Ski! Nice car.
It's hard. Oh, it's a SS.
Nigga, that's an RS. Real streets.
That's a SS.
Is it? That been fine though.
Go ahead, kid.
What's up, man?
You don't like black people.
Yeah, you can tell.
I can tell.
Oh, what is it?
Oh my god. Oh!
That mean say SRT? That mean say SRT? Where going?
Bro.
Damn, you drove all the way from. You stay in Pueblo or what, bro?
Still city, baby.
Pueblo?
Yes, sir.
Oh, damn. Damn.
When I talked to, I got a black Chrysler on 24s.
Yeah,
It was at the slush shit, yeah. This bitch hard.
So, he just trying to sneak you, bro. Hey, man. Hey, man. I see you trying to sneak my friend.
What?
You trying to punch him? Hey, he about to rub his shit too. What about got going on?
Goddamn. Alright, so if
Damn.
you see me in the club and I don't speak.
You gotta finish the lyric, bro. Well, what's the question if you see me in the club?
If you see me in the club and I don't speak, you get a new bumper, ugly, and I'm playing. Ski!
Yo, you gotta do that to a girl. You over here interviewing niggas, bro. You gay. Yo, Trill. Yeah, this nigga gay, bro.
That shit sound good.
Yo, interview a girl, bro, not a nigga. Oh damn, we got a couple ski.
What is it? That's chrome. That's chrome. Nah, that's
Yo, we got a couple ski back there. Your boy just missed them. Ski. What up, man? Que pasa? Oh damn! The best mopo in the world. The hardest charger in the world. What going? How you doing? Good. You? Whoa. You disrespectful.
Oh shit, that bitch got a 40 ounce.
Why buddy
The
cat?
4 Giannas.
Oh, I think I saw this shit on IG, bro.
That shit.
I don't know what video I saw, but that shit was hard.
They got the 4 Giannas on it,
Yeah, a bit red too.
Oh, I
You like
who
4Gs?
this is. I know who this is.
You like 4Gs?
Nah, they
I'm
okay.
glad, nigga.
They alright.
boy. I would have did a different color.
For
I would have
the
just kept it
outline? Yeah. No cap.
It's hard though.
That boy's out there yelling. What are you yelling for? Damn, buddy, you got a lost cat. You see him? Niggas screaming and shit. Look, hey, that boy vlogging too. Yeah, they got cameras out the window. Oh shit. Them boys on YouTubers too? Y'all boys on YouTubers?
Just taking pictures.
What's up, man?
What's up, brother, man? Where's your HELLCAT at?
Hey, man, I don't get it, bruh. Now I just want to park way down there, bruh.
Alright, that's what's up, bro.
Yeah, them boys look angry, bruh. He might want to move, bruh. Alright, bro, you too, man. What's up, man? Are you okay?
Yo, I'm just sick of waiting in traffic.
Man, you came late. It's your fault.
I'm late, I was here early.
Oh, I'm sorry. Man, bro, that's that clown circle over there, bruh. You a Nugget fan, my boy? Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Oh, that count now. Hey. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga done attack him. Kick that nigga like a sucker ball. Boy, that's them 2 cars that was at a gas station, bro. There was. I ain't gonna talk about it.
Bro, what's your issue with me, bro? What's your issue with me?
Oh shit. It's on. I'm sorry. I can't even say it, bro.
Chandelier. What the fuck?
Who?
He got a chandelier in his shit.
Oh damn. Hey, yo, let's spin the block. Damn.
That is shit hard.
That bitch stupid. Damn. Hey, bro, how much for a VIP experience?
Unwired. Okay. That shit crazy, boy.
They got Starlight in it? Hello.
What? It's so loud in here right now.
It's nice. If you see me in the club, I'll say what up. Look at this man.
Smell like skunk over here.
I can smell a fucking boy head when I see one.
your hands, motherfucker. What up, B-Dog?
What's up, buddy?
What up?
What up?
What up?
Hi, guys. How's it going? My boy. Now I got that shit on. Can we do a little 360, bro? Whoa. Man, what? What? Man, bro. He tried to walk me when I said 360. This nigga do more than 360. What? The whole world gonna know who you are.
Hey, Tyler.
That nigga smoking.
Are you coming? Are you coming?
Oh, yeah. Let's go fuck that beer up.
No! Somebody in there, nigga!
Do not hit that beer, nigga. Somebody's in here.
Hey, yo, is somebody actually, is this a real person here? Yes, sir.
Is this a real person?
Yeah.
That's a real person? Yo! What the fuck? So slam that beard. He's making all my in there, bro.
What the fuck? Man, that's crazy as fuck.
All right, bro.
No way, boy.
All right, bye, beard. Niggas not inside the beard, the beard, but niggas sitting right here. Niggas been moving his hand, bro. All right, bro. All right, guys. Are you zooming in?
Nah, I was making sure it was zoomed
Okay,
out.
zoomed out. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Come here, guys.
Whoa!
We almost got run over. We're gonna do some interview. Where the fuck my phone at, bro? We gotta get some lighting.
What do you have in there?
What's in there? Powerade.
I don't believe that.
Fucking lying,
You
dude.
look nervous, so I know he's lying.
Hey, they gotta finish the lyric, bro. You ready?
I don't rap. He's a rapper. Hey,
You a rapper? Oh shit, we got a rapper. Wait, spit some. I mean, just rap, bro. Do your thing.
No, I don't actually rap.
You don't
I
rap?
know a lot of rap.
You know a lot of rap music?
So if you're a rapper,
okay.
that means you got lean in your cup.
Nah, he knows a lot of rap music, bro.
Still gotta be perfect, bro.
So I haven't finished the lyric,
This
bro.
nigga got a shake at night. He's real. It's a Powerade shake.
It's about to cook. It's about to cook. It's about to cook. It's about to cook. It's about to cook.
I thought, bro, I'm confused. I thought you said finish the lyric.
You gotta finish the lyric.
Give him a beat.
Go ahead, say it. Go ahead.
No, are you ready? You gotta finish the lyric.
Yeah, you got it.
I don't know if you say that shit right. What up, fellas? What up, little man? You the one that be bullying Steve.
What the fuck?
Hey,
Why is there so many cameras around
this the one that be bullying Steve.
Why are you
bro.
recording me? Stop recording me!
Why you be bullying Steve, bro?
It's Steve.
It's Steve.
Where's he at?
Where's he at? He be bullying Steve, bro.
Damn, look at the chain. You gotta admit, it's Steve. Steve is the realest black person in the world. What the fuck?
That's crazy. That's a crazy allegation right there.
All right, hey, back to the rapper. You ready? If you see me in the club and I don't say what's up, maybe it's my accent, bro. Do it.
If you see me in the club and I don't say what's up, I have no idea.
What's your name?
Sam.
Damn shame, Sam.
That's a damn shame.
On to the next, man. On to the fucking next.
Back up!
Back the fuck
Back up!
Back up, man.
Back up!
Stay 5 foot, dude.
Hey, watch out, watch out.
You got 12 subscribers.
Damn, nigga head look like a fucking. Nigga head look stupid. Damn, that boy, they don't got no exhaust on
You
you
on his way to fuck your bitch.
On my way to fuck your bitch. That's a big ass dick.
Like what?
Hey, let's
Bro, watch out, bro.
What you want to do?
What you want to do, bro? What the fuck you want to do? That purple hard as fuck, boy. I ain't gonna count.
You like that one better than the other one? Oh shit!
That thing got some bam in it.
Hey, do this.
Yo,
Fuck them. They don't got the energy. What's up, guys?
are you controlling the car from the
shit,
outside?
not bad.
Fuck them.
Are you just gonna hold your hand up and see who gave you a high five?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
Can't no nigga touch my hand though. You gotta be a girl. Don't touch us.
What the fuck? Really, bro? Yeah, no, come out.
That's real. You said can't nobody touch your hands up for a girl?
Yeah. He got a nigga.
Man.
Damn, bro, you shit fat, bro. I still need my thumbnail, bro. What's up, guys?
What's up, man? Where's the dirt bike?
Fuck, this the biker
Look
club.
like a dirt bike. Oh
Damn.
my god. That's awesome. Damn, that's cool, dude.
Hi, guys. Bro, I need my thumbnail, bro. How can I get a good ass thumbnail? My thumbnail. Thumbnail. I said it right there.
There you go.
Bro, I know they can't f***ing see me. Isn't that right?
Yeah, no.
They can't see me.
Yo, no, that's crazy.
Straight.
Here, I got you. He just throw a beat.
I got you.
What the fuck was that?
No,
What the fuck is that?
just, bro, you bugging.
Hey, I gotta get a good thumbnail. Who the fuck is that, nigga? Yo, get this nigga.
So what's the thumbnail?
The thumbnail, bro. The thumbnail. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let's go fuck us some tacos, bro. Tacos on me, bro. Let's go fuck it up.
Tacos on me.
Alright,
Fuck you, dude. You know what? That's why mom doesn't really like you. That's why you're adopted.
Nah, hey, you gotta get them from that way. You gotta get them from that way.
I like this one because
nigga, you like this one because that bitch got hot dog in it. Oh. Stop it, man. Fuck you laughing at, nigga. Fuck you laughing at.
damn, nigga.
Relax, nigga. Calm down. What the fuck's so funny, nigga?
You're not even recording, nigga.
Yeah, that nigga is. But this nigga just been like this, bro, the whole time. Don't say shit.
I've been talking to time.
Hey, I bet subscribers are tired of them. Is that the same dog that want to fucking bite me? All right, they got grill? They got grill? All right. They got grill. We're going to grill that little nigga up, man.
Hell yeah, what?
I mean, oh shit, I'm going to be there. No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
He gonna do that shit. He eats those shit for a living.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's
I'm not recording, bro. Yes, I am.
Oh man, you got me, dude. Oh shit, man, the ball.
Y'all about to get hit, bro. Keep fucking around, man. Alright. That boy needs to get out of there.
Bro, I don't think he can. I'm chilling there for the night.
Yo, I know you. What's up, Connor? What's up, man? What's up, man? Alright, bye-bye.
What the fuck?
Oh, shit, what's going on over here? Hello. Maybe they know the lyrics. Y'all listen to rap music? Son, okay. Go ahead, tell them. Hold on, we gotta bring the light out, bro.
No, I'm sweating.
Man, hold your camera, bro.
Baby.
If you see me in the club and I don't say what's up, y'all supposed to know this shit.
Wow, I like country.
Yeah.
Gotta add some more
Okay, let me look this shit up.
Yeah, I don't know. That's all I know.
Y'all,
But I was like,
Yeah, like we're just so fucking. What is this
Bro,
for?
what's the rapper? What's the artist name?
why this nigga? They doing that fucking little challenge.
Bitch, I'm light skinned. I don't need no.
Can you give us a
You
beat?
just said it. They didn't hear, bro. How do you spell it, bro? What the fuck? What? You got a whole ass ninja suit on.
I know who Sexy Red is.
Oh, Downtown Lady?
Hold on, huh? Is that the ghost thing? Yeah, no.
So then you should know then.
That's the only part I know.
No, it's a different song. It's a different song.
Oh, that's the only song I know of hers.
If you see me in the club and I don't say what's up,
Oh!
That's crazy. That shit
you
crazy.
know what I'm saying?
You ain't know it, boy.
Hello.
How y'all doing? She got a dildo on her fucking stick.
You know she got an OnlyFans, bro. Whoa!
Shut up, man.
Let's go talk to her, bro.
They don't get hit by this guy.
Oh shit. Yo, that big got right hand? Yo, I5, bro. Where you at, bro? Slow down. What that is, bro? Oh shit, it's a drift car. It's a drift car. What is it? Street car? Man, why y'all putting this block on my system? I got all kind of weeds and marijuana in my system, bro. Right? Hey, I'm gonna take that bitch and ski that bitch and drop it and just ski.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the weed, nigga. Yeah, everybody say, why you touching me? They call the fuck down, nigga. You gay or something?
Talk to Francis, nigga.
What's Francis? Why the fuck you following us? Why you following us?
security guard.
Security?
That's security.
Dude, I've never seen a Hellcat in my life, bro.
What? Oh my god, it's a fucking Hellcat, man.
Yeah, dude. Oh shit, they got the drags on it though too. God damn.
Oh, that's a Hellcat.
How much? I know most people don't like to say this, but how much are you pushing for real?
To the wheel?
Yeah.
Probably like 7.
So why you got the drags on it?
Shit, you ever drive anything with 7?
Hell no.
There you
Hell
go,
no.
man.
Hell no, I have not.
I like your hat, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Like
Now with regular tires, I spin like all the way through 3rd, dude.
Damn.
I like your hat. That's fine.
Thanks, man.
You like my shirt?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
get me a
that's good. You
Hellcat
like
one
my
day.
shirt?
Fuck yeah, man. L on wheels. Yes, sir.
You think they'll approve me for a Hellcat if I have like
Got good credit.
$395?
Nah.
My shit. Why not?
don't lose faith, bro. They will approve you. The interest rate gonna be like 44.4 though.
It's okay.
You're still gonna get the car though.
$5,000 payment. I'm good.
That ain't bad.
It took me forever to get this
Yeah,
shit, dude.
man, you fucking did
At
it,
least
man.
you got it.
Is it stick shit?
Yeah, for sure. No, it's automatic.
Is that a track off?
Oh, see, that is an SRT off. Is that famous YouTuber, bro? And it's a big chicken off. Chicken off. Damn. Hey, can you rev it, bro? Hey, get ready, about to. Fucking make the Mopar community look bad. I ain't gonna lie, that shit look fake, bro. That been not whining. Hey, track guy should be whining. What's up, man? What's your name, bro? You a pastor? You a pastor? God damn! No, I don't pastor. You a pastor? Hell yeah, you look like a minister, bro. Oh, fuck that. Have a good day, brother.
Where are we going?
Bro, you know we park all the way over there, right?
Are we going back?
Hell no, we just going.
Where the fuck we going, nigga?
Bro, I'm looking for one-way jobs, bro.
Oh, that nigga that was supposed to come get a detail and never hit me back. I was glad.
But that nigga got slicks on his car now. What you see, bro?
Boy, ain't no.
What you see, bro? What you see, my nigga?
Boy, ain't no. Right here, boy. Oh my god, trio black, nigga.
Look. Naturally aspirated? Yeah? Hell yeah, man. Shut up.
Damn!
Hey, yo. What you got in here, bro? What you got in here? You don't got no Gatorade? I still got juice on there. You don't got no juice? No juice? Why you lying to me, bro? I'm online. Oh, shit. What's going on? Chillin', bro. Oh, damn. You're a good cameraman. You follow my footsteps.
Hey, I might have to go back here soon, though.
Go back where? You drove here?
Not in my car, though.
Man, you good, bro. You with the game. Hey, let's go get some make chicken burger sandwich, bro. Make gangbang.
Oh, you like a fucking burger?
Nigga, you look like a fucking shrimp.
Oh, you like a fucking taco?
You look like a spicy
God,
chicken
you look like
sandwich.
her stomach.
Whose stomach?
Right there in the white. Hold on, nigga.
Wow.
Oh,
I'm not glad I ain't see this nigga. Oh, shit.
That's the second time that shit been going.
Bro, I need my YouTube thumbnail, bro. That boy say I don't know how to say it right. Comment section, y'all let me know, bro. That's how you say it? Thumbnail? I said it right, bro?
Yeah.
Damn, that bitch look like he about to eat.
Tokyo Drift. Fast and Furious, goddamn. Oh my god.
Y'all parked over here.
I think a couple of the guys over here, bro. Dries and them over here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I think I got me my thumbnail. Nigga, why you sound like that, dude? You about to head out?
Oh, check this shit out right here.
What is it?
It's like a M3.
If it ain't Mopar, we don't know it, bro.
Nobody's here getting gas. Get the fuck out of here.
Why do you sound like that?
Shut up, nigga.
You sound like a fucking.
Damn, but that been tough, boy.
You sound like a nerd. Anybody ever told you that?
But I thought that nigga was Moses over there with the red do-rag.
Nah, don't try to switch topic. You sound like a fucking nerd, man. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This a perfect time to spit some bars, bro. Belly. I got this big belly ass nigga next to me.
Yeah.
Bald head.
Bald head look like Nelly. Glad.
If I smack my hand and fucking rub you on his head, make him telly-tubby.
Yeah.
I'm warming up.
Teletubby.
Telly-tubby.
I got the motherfucking wrap this nigga up like a mummy.
Take it back. Wrap him up like a mummy. We can't do that. This nigga got a fucking
tummy.
We gotta get signed, my nigga. I got something in front of me.
I'll give you a contact.
You see it? I got something in front of me.
What you got in front
that
of you?
shit looked at me for a couple seconds, but I didn't look back. See, with a boyfriend, where that nigga gonna get the nuts. What? Yo, Yo. Hey, nigga. Hey, come over here, nigga. I know you're not laughing, nigga. Spit something, bro. Spit something. Damn, spit something.
But you got that chain on.
I don't
Chain
spit
on.
You better
nothing.
spit some.
You didn't even fucking try, man.
I didn't try.
You didn't try.
Look at his head.
Look at his head. Take the hat off.
No,
Nigga, who the fuck?
His head built like a bunk bed.
Yo. Nigga say bunk bed. Yo, what up, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Hello?
It's crazy out here. Oh, that's a nice dog, man. What's his name? Bobo.
Nigga named Glizzy.
Right. Fuck you, nigga. Look at him.
Look at him. Always vaping. He's stressed out.
He think he could fall, but he can't even touch the rim.
Rim. Nigga,
I don't know why you be lying on your Tinder page, nigga. You not slim.
Slam. Nigga knows this some trim.
Yeah.
That nigga shrimp.
If I had my glasses, I'd take them off and hit you with my brim.
I ain't gonna lie,
Fuck
bro.
it. I ain't gonna hit you with my brim.
yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
pull out my shoe and stomp you with my Tim.
Nigga, you was on fire, but you overdid it, bro. So like the entire roast was whack, nigga. If I were you, I'd just go back inside my car and drive back to the city.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take the red Hellcat that's over there with the reflective logo.
Damn, that's a nice car. Whose car is it?
Huh?
Whose car is it?
I don't know, some lame ass nigga on YouTube.
Damn, what's his name on YouTube?
I think it's like Oluwa Bambis or some shit like that.
Hey, I know somebody named Oluwa, but not Oluwa baby. So I don't know who he's talking about.
My bad, Michael Okatumbi.
Who's that? Let me know. Get my Take your fucking camera, you coon.
Damn. But that's racist.
Is it?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
I don't give a damn.
I don't give a damn.
Fam.
Bam.
Tam.
Click, clack, bam.
Click, clack, blam. I see a big belly. And I ain't talking about damn. Shit's in front of me. M. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, I was eating
Why
up,
do you
bro.
still have the gloves on?
Black, 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 black. You know what I'm saying? Once you go black, or once you go dark, or once you go black, you can never go back.
Your shit sound like sandpaper, ugly.
You on Mike? Turn up, boy, what up?
What's up?
Yes, sir. My boy Mike, keep doing your thing. How many subscribers you got, bro?
I gotta look your shit up.
Where I got like 2 subscribers with my cat and my dog.
Are you lying?
You know what I'm saying? Got you, bro. Y'all here networking, bro?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the big thing, bro. Yeah. Damn. What's alright with that, bro? I don't know. Why it's not loading?
I just screenshot it just in case it don't.
For sure, bro. We're gonna lock in for sure, bro. Yes, sir. All right, brother. Be easy, man. Yep. Hey, what you think about that car, man? Think that been fired?
That bit?
Yeah. Damn, my body about to die.
That bitch accurate.
Accurate? Should we interview the driver? Go Nuggets! I think that's the new one. The Brambis? Or what they call it? Then them big got a Jeep Gladiator Hellcat motor. You ain't gotta do all that, champ.
Oh, look, they out here goddamn doing what they gotta do, boy.
Salute, them boy out here hustling. This shit is bad.
Gotta make the nigga like Johnny Dive, carry my cash. Got money, live, I can go. Slide down your block, like, well, I got ice all over my body, looking like snow.
The traffic hasn't been moving. This car still here? Yo, let's interview him, bro. Yo, bro. That's a nice ass car, man.
What's up?
The color here is crazy.
Yeah,
How much this thing goes for?
Like 150.
150?
Yeah.
Damn.
These shits, I ain't never seen one in person. That shit hard.
What is it called? Acura? Yeah. Hell yeah. Nice car, man. Whoa! Hold on. I gotta apologize to my subscriber, bro. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to show y'all that part, bro. But much of hooligans, man. You too! Alright, man. I feel like they about to drop another location, so we about to go to where a car is, and yeah. Y'all stay tuned, man. I hope you guys enjoying the vlog already. It's gonna be a long ass vlog. I don't know how long, but it's still gonna be long. You dropped something. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Whose shoe is it? Bro, how you losing your shoe crossing the street, bro?
This car took his other one.
Damn.
But that shit unfortunate.
See, this is the other spot. That boy just sitting over there. Yo, look at the Broncos Stadium. You got everything from all cars, bro. That's a Ferrari right there. Look at that. The line's long as already. Look at the lines, bro. Look at the lines.